Severe flooding occurred after heavy rains in Jizan, Saudi Arabia. This phenomenon has caused serious problems for local residents and authorities who are forced to cope with the consequences that have arisen. According to local media, floods affected many areas of the city, leading to damage to infrastructure and houses, as well as to the closure roads and streets. Local authorities have already taken measures to evacuate residents from flooded areas and provide them with the necessary assistance. This is not the first case of flooding in Jizan, where heavy rains can lead to serious consequences. The authorities urge local residents to be vigilant and comply with prescribed safety measures during bad weather. Experts note that climate change and the frequency of extreme weather events may become an increasingly urgent problem for many regions of the world, including Saudi Arabia. It is necessary to develop strategies for adaptation and combating the possible consequences of such phenomena.